Live on KKFM Vu Gando that tonight we here man on KKF as we promised that we're gonna bring you man best of the best. So today we're having one of the Tswane gospel choir singing or singer which is did you hear that laughing? Which is Nkosana Ankosi. He's personally my friend, man, and he's a brother to me. But professionally, or his professionally, or his duty, or whatever you call it, he's a singer. How's it, bro?
I'm calling you my friend.
Gamnan. So today, we're here on KKF, and welcome.
Thank you so much.
So we're having someone there watching.
Yes.
He doesn't know who are we having on studio. Who are we having? Sinobani wakuphi kwenzakalani?
Okay, my name is Nkosana Nkosi.
Yeah.
From Tswane Gospel Choir.
Yeah.
Ngintwana eqhamuka ngapha kwayaNdebele.
Yeah.
Ngikhwele siyabuswa. I mean eVaterval
ngoba
last balo nami kakhulu uma ngiphakamisa siyabuswa but ngiyintwana yaseVaterval. It's just that abantu abaningi abayazi kangako iVaterval but ngintwana evele eVaterval. But now I'm currently staying ngokwamhlanga.
Okay, yeah.
Yes.
Also, you're from Mpumalanga, KwaNdebele.
Yes.
Yeah, Mpumalanga, it's in a house, man, on KKF. Ngiyadlala, not just for Mpumalanga. So, man, we call you here. You're from Mpumalanga, and let's start here about your background. Do you have a family? Do you have any siblings? Do you have what's happening?
Oh yes. Esayidini la kamama nginosesi nomfowethu ongilandelayo then kubaba nakhona si5 kubona bosesi abayi3 engibalandelayo then imi first born yomfana nakhona kuona la last born
yomfana
yes then umama mseyawalala again but I still have umamkhulu esimbona nje ngomama kithi
and itimer
Itama yesilili.
That's good, man. That's good. Let me ask the famous question.
Yes.
When did Nkosana start singing, and when did Nkosana start taking singing seriously?
Uyakona nomngana uqula ngiyacela at a very young age. Ngesakhula from primary. We used to sing in the soil. The soil a cappella. Father those days, Father be kumnandi kakhulu.
I've got joy in my heart.
Uyangithola ne. Uyangithola ne.
You know the story. We've been here, bro.
So that's where ngiyobona khona ukuthi no uNkulunkulu manje ongiphile into ohlabela because my mom was a singer. So actually ekhaya sonke sisacula. Uma ungezwe usesomdala nje ungabusiseka umfana ukuthi ungalandayo emhlenge. He's very good. Uza kahle kakhulu.
That's nice. So when did you decide that now I want to take singing seriously?
Ngingasho ukuthi ngikukhuthazeke kakhulu from church. Uma ngibona uma sikhula abantu abantu abasha ngibabona banentshisakalo eyokuhlabelela no man nami I can do this if ngibona abantu abaseseyang abadecide ukuthi bafuna ukukhonza inkosi babancane and ngabo no it's possible now I can do it ngiyaqabanga ukuthi uma ngifika high school ela ngi-encourage khona kakhulu ukuthi no man let me push myself. I think ikhona lento.
So you started singing seriously when you went to church. When did you start going to church? Did you start a Sunday school? Oh, you were in high school, which I assume you're not in Sunday school. So you went to church because ekhaya basonta, or you just decided to go to church because of friends, or what took you to church?
Okay, surprisingly, ne? I was staying kwenye indawo eMpumalanga ibiza Emelo.
Emelo, okay.
Yeah, then we were moved Emelo after mama qeda ukushona. Then we came ngapha kwaNdebele. Uma ngifika ngapha vele ngithola umamkhulu umuntu owenkonzo. So umamkhulu wasikhomba indlela ukuthi no babantwana bami nayi indlela esihamba ngayo la ekhaya. So from that day nami ngajoyina leyo ndlela leyo.
Yes.
And I'm so grateful for that woman ukuthi ungifakile esontweni and ngakhona ukuthi ngikhule kahle khona.
Yes. And we really appreciate Mamkhulu for what you did, man. We now having a great singer in South Africa. Yes. So you go to church, you sing. How old were you?
Ngicabanga ukuthi bengisesela kubo 15 16 so.
Oh.
Yes.
But I'm not sure if maybe you're fine with this, but how old is Nkosana, man? How old is he? No, man, we need to know. To know.
Another question.
No, Spuluba. No. Want to know, bro, how old are you? Bro, you don't want to tell your age.
No.
You're not comfortable to disclose your age.
Yes,
okay.
Please.
He's a public figure, but he doesn't want to disclose his age. But man, it's fine. And you started singing. Who did you start singing with by that time? Who were you singing with?
By that time ngingumuntu mina okhwele enkonzweni la kudlalwa khona itende. So I was encouraged by abo Adorable Nkosi because dala baphusha ke dala basigamini abo Nduna abo Ayisuka abantu abaziwayo ke ngale kasi esikhule under sibabona ukuthi babayiphethe abothandiwe ngingabashiya kanjani abontokozo Mgwezana vele ngale kwaNdebele uyazi abo KK
Ginyora
ngithola.
Yeah, but who inspired you to say now hey man, I want to sing, man? Was it a self like you are the one who inspired yourself, or the people that you are mentioning are the ones who inspired you, or there is a one specific person that you'd say this is the person who inspired me to get to sing gospel specifically?
Okay, the person who inspired me the most ubaba uSifiso Nqwane. Usifiso Nqwane ubaba bengithanda ukumlalela kakhulu umfana uma ngisakhula. That man ubekadumisa inhliziyo yami yaba bhlungu kakhulu uma ngizwa ukuthi le ndoda ilele because bebe kuyindoda ebeyinzima kakhulu ngalezo inkali, but I was still young by then. Nokukholwa bebe ngisangakholwa by then, but benguthanda umqulo, benguthanda kakhulu.
Yeah. And you are the guy who started emakhaya eMpumalanga, Waterfall, and then you finish your matric. Do you before the Tshwane Gospel Choir, do you have any single that you've recorded? Do you have any song? What's happening?
Yes. 2 years back, I recorded ingoma abebizi Khambi. Usayikhumbula
Yeah. Yes.
We recorded Ikhambi nenye group reviving movement. Yes, amajida athi ntwana no iza ngapha siseqala nyana icembu sibona ukuthi kukungaphumani. Ngomusa I was the only one owa recorder by then. Yes, I recorded Ikhambi namajida and lesha kakhulu Ikhambi.
No, I know. So Ikhambi liyapusha with the reviving moment. Did you do any launch? What happened?
Oh yes, not December 2023 or 2022. I don't remember very well. Senza launch Ikhambi kwaMakhula. And bekumnandi kakhulu mfowethu. Bekumnandi kakhulu. I was super excited. Ngibona abantu bangiphumele ndoda. As in put. Hey mfowethu. IkwaNdebele man for Jesus.
For Jesus. Yes. And now you which I assume after matric you went to do something else other than music, currently maybe, or what's happening?
Okay, currently I'm still waiting for internship.
Okay.
Last year I was doing my last year.
Yeah.
Bengenze financial management.
Oh,
So now I'm still waiting for internship.
Yeah.
But gigahlanga.
Yeah, that's dope, man. Musicians, man, go to school, man. It's very important, guys.
Sure.
It's very important for you to go to school. And Tshwane Gospel Choir, you're now in Tshwane Gospel Choir. How did you get there, bro?
Okay, last year early kwaba nama auditions. So my friend uSiyadla mina from Tshwane Gospel Choir,
Yes.
wangithumela ipost wathi mfana dala uthi ubuza ukuthi ama auditions
Yeah.
anini, so nali thuba mfana ngithi sithumela ivideo yakho.
Yeah.
So nami ke ngokholwa
Yeah.
ngathumela ivideo yami kuma auditions.
Yes.
Phakathi kwabantu abayi 2200
Yes.
baselecta only 50 people
Yo.
ukuthi beze kuma auditions
Yes.
physical.
Yes.
Saya khona lapho but azange siphela, abanye
Yeah.
bahlala ekudeni, abanye bahlala
And you're one of them.
yes.
Yeah.
Mfo into ebengithukela ngila angiyazi.
Yeah.
Angiyazi mnganami.
Yeah.
So ngomusa kaNkulunkulu sangena, and I was the second person obeka ku ma auditions owafika kuqala kuma audition.
Oh,
So
yeah. You're serious, eh?
Awubuthi ngavuka kuseni.
Yeah.
Ngavuka kuseni.
Yeah.
So that's how ngifike ngakhona ke ku Tshwane Gospel Choir
Yeah.
sa audition, then ngomusa kaNkulunkulu basithatha lapho.
Yeah, and therefore you were a part of Tshwane Gospel Choir. And you recently recorded with Tshwane Gospel Choir, and This Is My Story. It's a hit, man.
Tom
Signature.
uyangithola ne
Please.
sandla phezulu.
So, what happened, man? Why did you choose? Did you choose that song? What happened? Why did you choose to sing This Is My Story?
Apparently they gave me the song 3 days before live recording.
What?
I'm telling you, but
Yeah.
ngithole 3 days before live recording.
Yeah.
The reason being ukuthi bengisesikolweni by then.
Yeah.
So uyazi isikolo most no music sometimes azihliki kahle.
Yes.
So
Yes.
during result time
Yes.
besinama exam nathi khona le
Esa.
esikolweni.
Yeah.
So bekunzima then there. So ama result ngiwajoin seku late.
Yeah.
Everyone iseka nengoma, everything setliwe. 3 days before live recording ngiyakhumbula bebesikwenye istudio lapha eMidrand.
Yeah.
We were doing our last results.
Results. Yes.
Ama artist ebeyabizwe ukuthi abe part of live recording.
Yes.
Phuthuma,
Oh,
babu
yes.
Derek Nzimande,
Hey.
abo Thabang Mamavunga, abo
Yeah.
J music from Tshwane Gospel Choir.
Gospel. Yes. Yes.
Yes, they came through ngalo langa lelo.
Yeah.
So uMelusi wangibiza.
Yeah. Who's
No,
Melusi?
uMelusi I production manager yasithwala.
That's what. Oh, okay.
Yes,
All right.
uMelusi babangibiza babano obhodi ulungelo Ngqobo,
Ngqobo,
our
yes.
producer.
Yeah.
Yes, babangibiza sithi ntwana no nayi ingoma ka baba uDerek Nzimande, can you do the song?
Yeah.
Ndoda yes baba uDerek Nzimande umuntu ebesimlayela dala.
Dala. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
mangizibuza mara le ngoma le mina ngizosifaka njani kiyo.
Yeah.
Aba stressed that day ukuthi mara ingoma le ngiyoqala laphi.
Uqala,
But ngathi umumusa kaNkulunkulu mangifika endlini ngayicheck.
Yeah.
The following day it was our last result.
Imagine. Yes.
Last
that's-
result. Ingoma angayibambi nokuyibamba the
Yo.
but sathi noma sishane ne choir.
Yeah.
Ayiyahlangana ngabona ngoba uDerek Nzimande asmayile wathi
Yeah.
ngobulanga ngabona ngathi ayisho ukuthi
Yeah.
ikhehla lelo nali ismayile
Nalo
ikahlangana
Yeah.
ikahlangana.
Yeah.
So ngike ngasho ukuthi ngiyithole kanjalo ingoma.
Oh, that's how you. So out of all people, man, they decided to give you the song, whereas you were in. Before we go there, how did you balance school and music, Tshwane Gospel Choir? How did you manage, man?
uNkulunkulu uthi mfowethu asilethe konke kuye. For the fact ukuthi ulenzile iqebo ukuthi ngibe kuthiwa no
gospel choir. Yes.
And ngapha I'm studying.
uNkulunkulu
okhona ukwenza ukuthi ngimanage everything.
Ngizobe
ngitshela manga mfowethu ukuthi if ngizothi yimi owenze ngamandla ami, akusiya ami, nami angazi mfowethu. Ngiphasile esikwedi ngiphase kahle. uNkulunkulu wawangenzela umusa nengoma iphumile. Available to all digital platforms.
Yeah. No, that's dope, man. That's dope. So they decided to give you a song out of all people, whereas you were busy with your exams and all that, but still, man, they decided to give you a song. Do you maybe have a brother or umalume Tony Gospel? How did that happen, bro? Does it make sense, man?
Next, brother. Next. I think ukuthi when the time is right. I the Lord will make a way. Make it happen. Kube umusa mfowethu kaNkulunkulu ukukutshela iqiniso. Kuba umusa kaNkulunkulu nama ngazi. But uNkulunkulu ukwenzile mfowethu.
And it became one of the first songs that they released. That's another thing, man.
No, it's the second song.
Yes. But before they released the other songs, but they released yours also. That's dope, man. That's what I'm saying. Unomalume la,
and the next voice. Umusa.
So, what's your plan, man, in terms of music? What are you planning at the moment?
Okay, at the moment, before June, I'll be releasing my EP. Very, very soon, Baba. EP mfowethu.
Yo, that's dope, man. You can't wait, eh? So, is it? Are you still cooking it, or you're about to cook it? What's happening?
Sesiphezwayo njengoba ngikhuluma nawe.
Oh,
siphezwayo. Maduze baba.
Yeah, usebenza nabo banda.
Gole iphile ngiphethe umfoka kaSandile uShabang.
Oh, Shabang. Yes. Oh, so he's the one who's producing the whole thing. Who are backing? What's happening there?
Ama PVs ngicela ungakhuluma okwamanje ngiyasahlela.
Yes. And how many songs that will it have plus minus?
I think 3 songs.
Oh, it will have 3 songs.
Yes.
That's man Kosana from Itswane Gospel Choir. And so now did you launch This Is My Story?
Not yet, but a few weeks back before he pass over, bengenza show lapho kwaMhlanga iSounds of Revival. Sephethe no Bishop Ebenezer.
It was dope, man, hey.
Bekubi kakhulu siphethe aboyolisi lapho.
We KKFM, man, we were there.
Umkhatho omkhulu. Buka.
So in 2025 we're expecting an EP, and what do you see yourself musically, maybe plus minus in 5 years, if you may ask?
Baba, ngomusa kaNkulunkulu ngiyathemba ukuthi in 5 years to come sangena eCarnival City. Sangena mfowethu Carnival City.
Yo one man show
uyangithola ne lapho ngingefuna ibhena yakho abe yi5 nanoma awagwale uvo mara abe more than 5 mfana kithi
zabe sida
kumele kushube la
zabe sida. So let's a bit, man. If you fail to disclose your your age, man, so we don't know. Are you a married man? Do you have any kids? What's happening? Let's just know about Nkosana. Keep on.
Okwamanje
Yeah.
Okwamanje ngisaseinsizwa okwamanje should masizane emthanda kakhulu thing insizwa mfowethu insizwa
kodwa ezimisele ukhona yena umama mama sekahambe esemthatha senqane lengane
no ngisakhuleka ngisakhuleka mfowethu mhlawumbe uNkulunkulu uzolenza
That's Kosana, man, from Tony Gospel Choir, live on KKFM, man. You know the story. As we said, that we bring you more shows, we bring you more interesting musicians or gospel musicians on a show, and it will be a great one. And just stay tuned, man. Like and follow, subscribe, KKFM. So how do we book Nkosana Nkosi? Do you have any manager or what's happening?
Okwamanje I'm still working nomngana uMike. Ngesamfake khona kulele go managing office, so uma ungifuna nje ucontacta yena then uyangithola lapho.
So he's the one who's managing you?
Yes.
So how do we contact him? Do you have any email? Do you have any contacts? If maybe wanna host you for an event?
Okay, yes, uyatholakala mikeprod@gmail.com.
Oh, so you only using emails?
Yes.
Oh, you don't have any number and all that. And someone wants to. Oh, I think you're still saying?
No, it's just in number. I don't know it.
Oh, yes. But we'll just display it, man, on the screen.
Yes.
And someone wants to follow Nkosana Nkosi. Do you have any social handles? TikTok, Instagram, Facebook?
Yes, on Facebook Nkosana Nkosi P.
Yeah.
On Instagram Nkosana Nkosi 188.
Yeah.
On TikTok it's Nkosi. Ngiyatholakala nje lapho.
Yeah. That's Nkosana Nkosi, man, from Mpumalanga. That's all that we wanted to know, man. A little bit about the background. Where is he coming from? Who was he working with? And all that, man. Live on KKFM. And I'm not sure, man.
Sure.
So we're gonna have a session now, man. Nkosana will just give us just a small 5 minutes thing, man, and we'd really appreciate live on KKFM. Just stay tuned. KKFM Vugandota.
Vuga.